Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Stop hackers before they strike. I'll show you how to bulletproof your WhatsApp with two-factor authentication. Stay with me. These simple steps prevent 99% of account takeovers. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on WhatsApp, step by step and super easy. First, open your WhatsApp app. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Next, go to Account. Then, tap on Two-Step Verification. Now tap on Turn On. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.